Hailstorms may be a catastrophe for many, but that is what we do every day at South Central Dent. South Central Dent strives to be a leader in the paintless dent removal industry. Paintless dent removal is a process involving specially machined metal tools that massage the underside of a damaged panel until the dent is removed. This process does not damage your vehicle's factory finish. Professional dent repair works because of the flexible urethane paint technology on today's cars. The paintless dent removal methods of South Central Dent have been perfected over the last 2 decades. This method is the most environmentally friendly option available. No chemicals, solvents, or cleansers, just a technician and tools. At South Central Dent, we are paintless dent repair professionals. We are accountable to you, our customers. We are accredited through the Better Business Bureau. We earned AIG's endorsement as one of their premier hail repair companies. We stand by our word with a full repair replacement warranty as long as you own your car. South Central Dent was founded in 1994 by John Helveston to fix door dings. He soon realized the potential cost saving and convenience that paintless dent removal offered to his clients. Throughout the years, South Central Dent has been satisfying fleet, corporate, and insurance company repair needs nationwide. South Central Dent also has thousands of individual customers. Because of our quality workmanship and customer service, our previous customers demand SCD as their repair company of choice. We are dedicated to providing the best paintless dent removal service the industry has to offer. Our commitment to quality means testing, training, and experience. Many of our technicians have a minimum of 10 years experience, and a select few hold the prestigious Vail National Master Craftsman designation. The pursuit of flawless repair drives the success of SCD. From initial handshake to final delivery, SCD's objective is to set the gold standard in paintless dent removal. SCD knows the importance of your time. We strive to provide a written estimate in just minutes. We also know you want your car back as soon as possible. In most cases, cars are returned within 24 hours of drop-off. We value our customers. Every day we build our reputation based on outstanding customer service.
Our commitment to professionalism, quality repairs, and customer service, and most importantly, accountability, is what makes SCD stand up from the crowd. It's that simple.